respectable dignitaries from Tribal Research Institutes, Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills, Government of Manipur, from different departments, functionaries and members of geoscience, and all my dear students gathered here. I'm very, very happy to stand in front of you to share a little knowledge that I have. And I also like to thank the Geoscience Forum for giving me this opportunity, platform, in order to expand or extend the knowledge that we or our society have. I will be using both language, that is Tangkhul and English, and I would like to ask if there is anyone who cannot understand Tangkhul dialect. No one, right? So I'll be mixing both dialect, okay? English as well as Tangkhul. So, career counseling. I think I may not use this mic, okay? I may go here and there. So, I may probably not use this, and if you cannot hear me, please raise your hand, okay? Let us try to have a very interactive sessions. I'm asked to cover science and commerce streams, arts and commerce streams, and which is not at all possible to complete within given time, all allotted times, 25 minutes. So I may request our moderators to at least give me another 10 or 15 minutes, okay? Career counseling, as one of our dignitaries have already asked, what is actually career counseling? What do you mean by career counseling? Career counseling hikido, what is career? Career gaji hikido, gaji ngahan hai reyang. Jene iwa mixara sare, straight away question lang hanra sare. Yeah? So let us all be prepared, okay? So first, arts background, we na mi kya karata lai, na tumya bang na pat khang ming ra. Arts background. Yes, arts. Commerce, okay. So the rest are science, right? Fine. Let us start with a very famous person, quotations. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you have not found yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Steve Jobs. Keep along the Steve Jobs thay do. Steve Jobs thay jibing. Good, very good. Ana hang khai tuine. Ki khang do. Nan the what ka sa ki jiga. Nan the sa de klei what ba hidi le shi lo ji no wa. Nan the sa de klei what ba hidi le shi lo. Le kan ma sam phung rang nan the sa ngai wa ji. Masam pamrang này thế có mong sam nó có sao sẽ được có sao được chứ, yeah. Asuma sam man thế nó cũng ra sam mà đấy không? Thế là now let us come to it. Theory of survival of the fittest. Science cái nào Darwin theory of evolution thì tầm cái gì cũng là thấy cái này đấy không? Organism inherently count. Because it is no longer only organisms. It equally apply to human being. Yeah? No, in society, you should be fit enough. The creative destruction, the John's competitor, Joseph's competitor, the economics, Asst economics, creative destruction of process. Itumwi totally relevant salaka hai yang. Creative destructions of process gaji kali kahang kala jika masala kai do. Tu yer bing je asum na tum internet li la ko yang bai re. Kateu ka thuk mai de wa ngai bing yang. Creative destruction of process gaji lei de khlai wat bing hi matha khamai chin na continue salakai na siman nga sakai ga matha khamai shok khang sak. For example, mobile phone hi atama khali black and white dai nam lai sa do keypad dai na ara black and white ji lai fu ye kha tha la chung khamai na ka la ji ga black and white ma sing lu ji de la smartphone ne je ka smartphone ni ma tha khamai 4G win 5G ra dai ra yang speed processor tha khamai ji da continuous sala gen na khalai ji that is what we call creative destructions of process ka ji ne Joseph's comes better na khang ne I thum hi we totally zatale ka ji ne I thum hi competitive sala khai we totally zatale na in a society akali nganing da khaya gala khai mi rin ring ge ga na I khi sang I kla ge ji I thum aju hi na ling sa se ji yang art stream iram shong li jena arts ka equipping discourage ma sa ba ngo iram shong li art stream ne ji ga ki do lairik ma them na ga ji bing mong da na ga ji bing yang offers very popular yang popular sala khai korsa chi in the context of India it is underrated underestimated and of course opted by majority without knowing the superiority of the subjects in a 2 year superiority the shikajin kwang rom thai asima na thum da man ka arts na khim mai sak lag ji hi ung tara sara let us come back to it afterwards okay jen hi art stream genera khim mai le do offers these are few popular art streams subject specific okay fine chilima gzang la laigap ta le ka hi ping hin na thum na roughly thai ga bai asam ga tha da wa chang bai ka khi institution na matha mai ga na arts kui ga khi sa bai da le la ka arts we thrui na ka tha bai da le kla gi hi so briefly mi ka hai slightly mi khai ping hi ping hi ne gi ne ka chung ka lai fe chang ga bai ka Adam Sef sak vai de hi sak ne let us come back to it now superiority the in a 2 year hili shi kichin ji hi wang thla ji ga country akhali lan ga chung khalai sala la lan ji ka tha da or for that matter natural resources ka chung khalai sala la natural resources si ka tha da shi chin rakla da plan sami khawai or natural resources ka tha mai da ma tha mai da to the fullest li shi chin rakla da sami khawai example economics law matha da leila ka rules and regulation matha da leila ka country akhawi law mathang sak la ka leida khlai resources si akha aina akha maron mrat nga sak la khuishok la ka tha da country resang sak rak la ji for example political science subject acho khiwang in Manipur khon chok do what is the reason that we have a ethnic crisis problems in Manipur if we try to find there are so many factors but one factor is history clear we don't have history matala ka historians malay da lem de tiger art subject important masa da le yang art subject hi machang to re jai ga complete masa bai ga ji yang ka chung khalai fe ga adam malay to da da chi ba chi tang sa se commerce stream offers commerce stream hi ka chi ka than quick la ji ga tum la thai se re ka te ko average or ka te ko them khamai average li chui khamai ping mostly commerce stream va khuye miangai da le re meaning la job oriented sala ka commerce stream hi laga achu we octoli atang issue speaker ak na ngai re yang commerce ka chi thum la I thum nui chang offers I thum ten ka tha dam le commerce sai ra sai ka chui mamang li commerce ka chi popular ma sa nam de arena popular sa ngai sa da le de yang china popularity in contemporary world hi ba hi average or average ka deu ka sim khur li la ri ka deu ka them me je ga the science mo khuir ka commerce khyo lo ne chi le de si chong ning ma chi tha do arts ping ni ba da third chok le je arts ba lo yang ka arts wi ka chang ka wi subject scope pa ji ma khayang ma ka the yang da arts khyo lo ne da pa sa lo ne yang ase mo ung da ra sa ra tam na le ga fine so chi tha ye ji ne now let us go to next slide. So popular course BA honors education economics English foreign language geography history journalism mass communications mathematics political science philosophy physical education psychology sociology BA LLB BA program etc khangate etsa bai fejine you are having a various options to take in art stream yang Like the sa by the mathematics temping, for example, economically, yeah. Law and order matalagina if a country akawi law hi matada thing a country akawi functioning katalagdale katada zang aikla the interest later labing example political science as history hi ne inte we history mom tablung dura inte we history or maninga ka ishi chong we history shi tangkhul we history le shi naka we history la history hi mung talak dura I historian na kaza history tam laga research sa laga kamata publication mi laga history confused later le in a doubts in a clear sa mi ga chi tha da ka chung khalai da le ji ne journalism mass communication journalisms asuma we next slightly aka in a unghang sara BALLB important sala kai art stream wina ka chung khalai da le ji ne taiga art stream hi ping khi khawai na matha mai kap ka chi inte we college li ka tha da tam rak la ji ne and what is the eligibility criteria na matha mai kap ka chi college chi li ka tha da wa rak la ji ne wa chang rak la ji ne CUET mi kya na sai ra CUET ma shala kai ra ki to full form hanging ra can one of you tell me what is the full form of CUET Center University entrance test ka jine mningna chipa chi we throw in a clear salaga ara NEP ra ta hoki da ka dong CUET throw in na college kam thali wa chi we throw in zadra chi we throw in zangra exceptional notice India li ari re CUET hi chung khamaina tada Mayonmi fadle CUET mathalala atama khaliwa 10 years we deliver ishi even notice India li ndang da CUET examination maninga kha na we graduation course matam bai maki chi go chena chi pa chi the ser lo na thum kai khana plan sa te like even next year I'll go to SRCC St Stephen College Hindu College Kirori Mar College li wara ta machuk te le aga na thumi February March ka thali CUET online form fill up hi sa laga CUET entrance examination tha laga jangi ji ko okay, career options. He adungli mi khai career option ka chung khalai dale. I won't got all. I will just explain two or three. Chiwin na thum thada na thum khala na oh ya khalai dale la mok chi yang kuilo. Shana ka arui la ka chung khalai dale yang ka ina bureaucrats. Iram shongwa conventional salakai traditional salakai athang wili kai kana ma thui hai yang now ngaping na atum we interest power ngatai ngai na chaji kha awa na wa IAS sablung ra IBS sablung ra MCA sablung ra MBA sablung ra ki le la mushung e mthala ke IAS IBS MCS ma le thu re je ko itum system li ma chang bai mane atum na administration sing how ki da atum wi bang ni ki chung kha le ram now ram akha or society akha wang IAS officer akha sami ka shap ka chiga mahang khar ka chung ka lai dak lene chiba chiwa detail ma wa sa ashma next adam na le saga teu ka jang ka vai sa sa academicians ithum wili academicians ka ji hi ithum ocha group hi mi ka chung khana khido ari hon wa ocha ma sangai rok tur de the reason is that por ma le lak ka ji pang shap ma le lak ka ji yang society li zeng na la na li ma thai mi phut ka chi kha wa ma lai do ye ishi society li kha wa lai her da yang kha ka chang khat ka them thang ka mai produce sa ka vai ki pa ka na do o cha ma ka na le for example in the context of our Tangkhul community we don't have physics professor we don't have chemistry professor we may have but very few yang Professor gachi we wrangly physics chemistry mathematics li tammi khwai mi ma lai da lai ma wa chi thai ga idum ka tha da khang dai we mi yurli compete sa wa chia khane yang chene academician gachi la idum hi ba yi kha khama juk pai academician gachi na ari hon wa if you see young da le aka India li matha mai kap gaji private school akhalai le wa Masuri Udaran Khan li yang lagari Mukesh Ambani long shi school bingje athum shili ocha sa tak le kum khale athum tolop kya khamro kaisa ingra 30 lakhs plus de athum salary Thai kan na them de le ka na interest le de le ka chi la noble sala khai profession sa khanai gi chine bankers of course bankers ka chi na ki pa long le khang do bank managers ping le ning la ka chung ka le de le atam le tu de I khang de ping chi ma ta lu ke I wi slide thi a shi we na sam phang mi bai ra la ka no thum na ma ka thai no thum na confuse ka sa le ka iwa 24/7 available ka sa tha ne lai ri link han ke ji ka Jena, I'm available. You may call me up. Yeah. Next. Hipa hiva atang ketio me kasai ra atamale to the taka literary arts the magical na kimetam do poetry, creative writing, script writing, performing arts the magical dance, music, singing, theater, martial arts, camps and culinary arts, animations, camp designing, visual arts, photography, painting, drawing, interior design, sculpture. Yeah. Chibachi tada asam mana thum slide chi chi wena khui laga magathe ki khalai kang han khangai le kang han ra sa bai ra next so in Delhi college khamtha gaji katha organization na declare sami khibashi we college na matha mai kap khala gaji chi National Institutional Ranking Framework the NIRF the le Hiwi in a quick high share number 5 in a dung of a mushungai, Chiwiti liver in a gaika mix up like a Kasang Kaine. So 2023 art streamly Matama Kapkachi College Kachi Miranda House. It is in University of Delhi. Adang Miranda House li katam ngai gajibingna hisara klajiga you have to give CUET entrance examination Central University entrance examination CUET li Hindu College Presidency College Tamil Nadu BSGR Krishna Mal College for Women Tamil Nadu St. Xavier College West Bengal St. Stephen College University of Delhi na percentage lamata kalana shaplung declare sa shabda CUET shock like a hipping list. Some pangajiga vatam sangai. Other than that, hima kaning pingli, some pangajiga, there is nothing wrong studying in our own state. Because any pira National Education Policy 2020 liver all over India, almost the same syllabus ne. Delhi University syllabus na, hi Manipur University we syllabus kangate kachung kamalay da layman yang. Chipaji katay say. Taga kangate pingji Yeah, the Nutum na Ashima today young Ika young now. Okay, so integrated law course. National Law School of India. University Chibachikali like Lajiga, Bangalore later, National Law University, New Delhi, Symbiosis Law College, Pune, Narsar University of Law, Hyderabad, Laga Kangade Pinchiva, the Ashima. Young atom like a young room now say China mass communication films and television studies called Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication number 1 in the Institutes of Mass Communication Film and Television Studies Kolkata West Bengal Lady Shriram College for Women New Delhi IIMC Delhi, Delhi College of Arts and Commerce. I was there as an assistant professor starting from 2012 till 2018 in the Ichilipum Sai, college society. Rahul the India, Rahul Kunal the India today we Paul makeup kachi ankle journalist baji in the Pumgasa College win a kashong young. Taka chipping. Best Performing Arts College in India, named Shaipol Banaras Hindu University, Tada Chipping Jiashama, Natum. Ning Zang Blong de Leaka, Natum Dam Hai Laga, Slide Chiquilaga, Tadang Hanmi by Ray. Adangina, Hili. Yes. Mass communications, journalism, Gatumping, Nakima Maisa by Glurgaji, Hilia Azingli La Zangaine, Ka ina Kang, journalists, ankle journalists, Gajihi, Ariri Ishi Nordis in Dewena, Arnab Goswami Gajihi, Republic TV we, Chief Editor ne, Awaming Mashalaka Random. Arnab Goswami, News Mayangdo. What is his surname, you know? Are we Kumkali, are we Tolopchika come round there? 12 crores. Crore Tradakani. Itum government li sang dak lebing na kum maku earn sa la ma ka ma gi chi. Yang China journalism ku ya ka na phao da na sa shap da la ka na hi akhal la thui sa ba ye gi chi ne. Dai ka a thang wi BALLB da sang dak le chi. Integrated course ne na Bachelor of Law hi ku ya ka India li na tum ada thie re yang ram chet malami ma sha do. India we ka pao advocates. Are we earning cái tham rom thế? Ana akashi court lika khung ning he. Paisa kya khuim rom thế to 25 lakhs. Lakh mu ko da phangani jugo. Lakari ri India phau mai kap da claiming court li akashi ra laka ana bleed ra sa ra gachi 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs that's the clay da la. Chana thang arts paper hi khui shap da khuya ka matha da khuya ka mina earn masa khar la ka chung ka earn sa bai jil yang. Pop that lay yang, the Tom Jim Tatang Malo. Okay. Okay. Commerce College. Commerce College, Commerce Stream Quilagana Kimesabaito, BCom Honors and BCom programs Quipagine. Career options Nakimedo, Charter Accountants, Company Secretary, Tax Consultants, Auditor, Investment Bankers, Financial analyze, sales analyze, etc. Kachum khalai da le. Government willi ma zang la yang. Government willi ma zang la da kachum ka sa ka bai le da le ne thom yang. Chena hi ka tha ka commerce khui da le bing na ara khunuk wak li pam da la khalai dai da bai commerce bing je. Ara na thom na India li da commerce hi pa shi college ma mai na ma tha mai gap la ka chi yang ngai da le ka hi ping hi ne. Shri Ram College of Commerce. Yang Lady Shri Ram College, Hindu College, Hansras College, Mithabai College, Kirori Mar College, Daulatram College, Chung College, Chishat Khaleli, Tharogoa, University of Delhi. Go. Okay. So, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Ki khang do, katong phap tan lai re yang. Kibana kang do Abraham Lincoln. Ana kyang la jiga no we future a ka na thainga yi je ga na khla da na create sa khu lo ji ne wa. Yeah. Next akhli hang fwe in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Na choda kaya tamli na akhla sayang la ga as ko thau ni kliang da klai tam ni chili opportunity rai ji ko kibana khang Albert Einstein yang ka them ping na khang ser ko chi ping ji na thum ko changai ka ko cha la ka na thum we mirinly apply sa bai da la ka ung sa ying lo yo. Next, attribute to lead a successful life. Na successful sa la kai mirin ringai ji ka characteristic attribute ka na ki characteristic lai blung rak le chi ne. What are the characteristics that is required to lead a successful life? Taka kido, number 1, sincerity. Number 2, hard work. Number 3, goal-oriented. Number 4, persistence. Number 5, discipline. Number 6, determinations. Kachung kalay fo ye. Kayo na kot sa da kleping ba. Katiyo ta da thay bai kawai katong na thay bai kawai kachine. Natom smart. Smart reading gaji mi shala kai ra. Shai rem ning ra. Lai ka dam na senda. Smart gaji we full abbreviation form hi kido. Mathai ra. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Adam malay to the kachunga detail explain masalim ra ka hiping hi na tum na ung machuging lo. Okay. Iram chongwa thang khang thao la avwa ping ka tong na IAS sang sangai dai IBS sang sangai dai ning la avwa tong na government we karili ngam thung ina zalaga party card sang ka fo la ga za ti iram chongwa jingning jang rok da la yang maning jang do no to mi li ra dak le ping la ais police akhawa hili ka za thai da le ga hiwak la khani ka tum hiwak la khani ka tum mangali da za le as sangai we ga chi wa sang ser le rem ning la. This is the laga MRP na card salaga mangala kari khunuk la kari tada kari mangai na ali card salaga kazaji yang aka sangai ser de la mong chung do chung kamai na sangai de le re kama sakar chung khang ka chung kana sara da sala ma sakar ma da lastly mong da bu put ka chi mi rin ring khai la mak lai mning go lei go thai ga chi sa ka vai na ka chi ka tha exam tha rak la chine political science student zanga ga article 315 hi ma thala i nong ba mi lo 315 16 17 18 19 till 25 in the dang da taga public service commission for the union and the states ka chine thai ga union ka china IAS ka tha IBS ka tha IFS ka tha hi ka chi ka tha or agency or organization or body na commission na conduct sakla jiga na civil servant sara jega hiping hi na conduct ka sa examination hi na clear sa blung reng jine hamta le ya taga union public service commission china all india wine state public service commission adang we MCS ka ta MBS ka ta shokai laga kum chishat lai hai laga kum thara withili trata phanga withili or say 10 years withili IAS convert vasa thui khai IBS convert vasa thui khai yang fine taiga staff selection commission SSC na ka chi ka ta wat pam recruit sak la jika group B candidate sang hai ra chung khamai group B C D UBAC na group A chung khamai ka sa ne yang group B C D what pam mi staff selection commission ka chin ka sa ko fine yes all india service mashala khai ro don dom all india service ka ji taga hili yang agam thai le all india service india li ka thumang lai ko iram shong ma thai im da kachung khan ne dang ni bai ne. This is more or less even chike general knowledge we class ka thane yang all india service ka ji IAS Indian administrative service Indian police service IFS Indian forest service yang chi ka thum go ta ka na IAS clear sai go professionally ko fleu da na khiwat pa mong phung lak la ji ne no we starting what pam ji khik la ji ne STO STM what is the full form of STO huh? Thấy sao thế này mình là chỉ vì thế last academically mi akamang na phungi cái what bom cabinet secretary the senior most yang senior most na phungi cái what bom na ji ko thang ka IBS li na STPO kai khali deputy superintendent of police da la chate yang kai khali ngatai da SCP china zara academically director general of police Director of Intelligence Bureau, Director of CBI, the retired Vatsat Baijine. IFS na Assistant Conservator of Forest we na Principal Chief Conservator of Forestly retired Vatsat Baijine. Kam matha me da thai bai ka vai hila yang sane. Maning la na UPSC shokai laga IAS shokai chega firstly na Sub-Divisional Magistrate SDM or Sub-Divisional Officer SDO ung ka phung adam le District Administration ni ung zanga ka SDM State li zanga ka Under Secretary Center li zanga ka Assistant Secretary ka chine no we tolop chi no we basic pay chi kya kaina bokla chiga 56,000 chili khangate ka chungka etsafra no we HRA ne no we dearness allowance ne no we traveling allowance ka chungka ra etsafra hi thada washum laga nextly sorry it was slide chi mazang ro yang 2,50,000 the cabinet secretary chili ka tang ge jigo hi thada ka ye ge chine da na thum yang ai ka asma thada slide chi khui laga yang naw lo police iram shongwa police we sira la phap madang rong dem ning la ma thai de le chi yang gra ji hi ba ye IBS pingli khang go IBS pingli kai khan IBS la ka ki wang in sira khamang thang lak ji mi la jang wa jin da ka professionally sa ta le la ga a professionally sa ta le la ga ali assistant superintendent of police the professionally only 1 year of service li ali Assistant Superintendent of Police the Kamiadamli awi hi sira khakagi jidla. Yang nextly na 2 years with probation with hili sira khani ga gaidla. Taga DSP gaji STPO SCP yang district li ta ka STPO Commissionerate of Police li zanga ka SCP da Delhi ka thali we SCP da zini yang chi ta da sira ka thum rai jine Ashok rak le da Additional Superintendent of Police ta ka kamama na ka lastly Director General of Police ka kali ki zang de le do Ashok ina rai khaim zang de le chi ta da zate gi jine are hi yang khui la ga no thum police akhawa ka the aga osh hi ba hi ha khai de te wai de ji thai ba yo le ning la hi colorly athum wi colorly hili sira mong ina gajigra ta hi re jaga athumi Superintendent of Police we atung Senior Superintendent of Police or DIG ne ji ha phok khai ne gi jine chi la ga thai ba da lam ning la fine next types of civil service athang na UPSC preliminary exams mains exam de khami ba we exam tha laga na shock aka hi tha da ra ta ye gi ne firstly all India service li rank matha mai gop ka chi bing li ara IFS bang te de kwe re yang rank matha mai gop ka chi bing li Indian administrative service mi ji la example rank 1 to 10 ni jang de la ka chi wi thi li chi wi nextly Indian foreign service de le fe chi ba ji sampang laga nextly Indian police service rank we athishur da nara sampang ra sa gi le yang te hi ba hi wa hi ka chung ka hang ka tam chung na jang aw yang chena tha da hi na thum la hi ba hi roughly tha da yang khui lo yang hi group A civil service ping ne example no Indian foreign service Indian audit and account service IAAS tangkhul naw shok khai le dai retired zat khai ma thai lak do ma sha lak just word version masha shayang taiga details sa kai tu madam chang naw yang china ji ba ji tha da na thum asma yang naw lo next group B civil service li armed forces headquarters service ta le ba ye Denips Pondicherry civil service Pondicherry police service ye na shili hyang man naga ishi aju career counseling ra chang da klai bing wei na mi ka chung ka shok kha ta da ring ka phamang ning la ka deu kha vai si la vai xiao la bai de bai ina hang me de ka shong ne je bai si ne ji ne nang de le ba ba fine hi ne ga ji ne mayang ping wa ra a thang UPSC ko phai re mayang ping wa SSC CGL ga ji staff selection commission combined graduate levels ga ji chi we examination ni UPSC ma shok khar ka chung ka nei ba hi ong try sa ji de la bai hi ung try sa laga ara group P cadet officer ka ji non minister na hi ra da ma sang ne kum thara ka thamang ka fud leira hi wi watpum 1 2 3 4 in dang da crew 1 2 first khani hi et sa da ma sang rang hi khani wa cadet officer boss ne khang de bing ba wa naw da ka naw gi ji ne am ta ka na thum na interest de ka hi ba hi la SSC tha la ka SSC CGL tha laga shock akha I khi wat pam ma mai khui bai de lei I wi marks athishur da I kali wa chang bai de lei glag ji hi ba hi da de yang bai next hi ba hi ka chung khane I ka dong am wa lu ge da na thum ni thai ka bai da sa khamin yang banking sector jobs I thum dang khru naw bing wa I shina ka naw bing wa even banking li ai na dang de I thum mi ma chung da leim de chi wang ina mi ma chung thu ki da I thum we abam li chi mi ka chung kham le thu ki da I thum na facilities naw tio mai ka enjoy sa ka bai khui ka bai nang da la knowledge m le thu da ka chung ka ma ka khui la lei bam bam da le de yang chena banking li chang ai ja ka banking we job nga chai li prestigious sa mai kap ka chi chu mai kap bai da ka khui ki bank ni chang la je ne Reserve Bank of India RBI li what sai jaiga RBI ne recruit ka sai grade B yang generally sports specialist post tang vai grade B ai na how ko phok ka ji no we how ko phok to lob chi kya ka ina phok rom the sa ngai mi mazang de lai RBI li pom ngai ji mi mazang de lai no we to lob phok ko phok chi lupa lak a kha plus ina phok ra sa ra yang fine next na part tam shala khai ra shai re yang National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development hiba hila next tada RBI we nextly kamata kaneda chilo quiz niang. Like nextly public sector commercial bank. Can any one of you tell me one public sector commercial bank? Mia kana hang mi bai lai lia lui. Ha. Mia kana hang yang ra. As issue mazang lag jila. Ukrule bank hi mai le lai do. Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India, yang private commercial bank, cooperative bank, regional bank, yang adam lay to the ye tada ki ka sao ke. IBBS ka ji hi Institutes of Banking Personnel Selection ka ji ne. Nan banking sector li zang ka ji ka RBI ma khaning na part ma khaning khangtai wa ka tong hi wi through na examination milaga zangi ka ji ne. Hili BO da chang dak lai ji ki ji do. Personal selection sangai liang ka BO ji banking li BO ji ka li khangla ji ga professionally officials na manager how sao ro ji how ko phok wi ko fine hi na ko phau sai ka hi ba hi atam ka shuna ka ki ka sa la ka hi khak ngre mi lo cho ta da per click sa mi lo ji wi le play sa mi lo cho hi ba hi yang la ga I thum ka tha da society li ya really khaya ka la in ring rakla ka tha da na rakla ga ji ba hi yang laga ta da I thum go dong machuk rum khwai sa se laga I space ba hi na ko baw na thum na mag thai le la ki ka lai ga ngan ra sa lo jo thank you